How to fix LG monitor not turning on. So first of all, verify power connections. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the monitor and a functioning power outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working. Inspect the power button. Press the monitor's power button firmly. Some monitors have a joystick button located beneath the display. Perform a hard reset. Disconnect all cables, including power and video connections. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to discharge residual power. Reconnect all cables and attempt to power the monitor on. Examine the power adapter. If your monitor uses an external power adapter, consider replacing it, as internal components may fail over time. Check for firmware issues. Some users have resolved power issues by reflashing the monitor's EEPROM firmware using specialized tools. This method is advanced and may void warranties. Proceed with caution. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.